Just popping too. Welcome to Liddyville. Hey yo, if you ain't fly, hey yo, don't even come by through here, you know what I'm saying? You see where we at, you see what's going on. We at Extreme Car Audio, you know what I'm saying? And you know we got Frank White in the background. You on the Flyers channel. This the last time you gonna see my boy Plain Jane like this, you heard? We going big custom wrap, you know what I mean? Big Frank White, you know what I'm saying? Biggest hemi on the tube. Stay tuned to the Flyers channel, man. And then we're gonna get flyer from this beast. But you know who did it, you know who doing the rap, you know who doing it, my dogs at Extreme Car Audio. Where they do it the best, you heard? If I can't do it, they gonna do it, you know what I mean? Before, you heard? Stay tuned for the after, you know what I mean? No, for real. You see what's going on? You see what's going on? Big after effect. Big Frank White. Big rap. Of course, from the homies at Extreme Car Audio, where they get me together, man. They brought my vision to light. Stop playing, man. Look from the side, man. He just looks so mean from the side, man. You just see that. And you know what I'm saying? You just go to the front, man. You know what I mean? One of one custom wrap. Yes, I thought of this myself. You know what I mean? And the homies just brought it to light for me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog, Nick at Extreme Car Audio. He got me together. Yo, Frank White just gonna get flyer and faster, man. I'm trying to tell you. Subscribe to the Flyers channel out. You know what I mean? Subscribe to catch them fly AF1 drops. Subscribe to come, you know what I mean? We're gonna go day to days and Frank White with me. We're gonna go out of town. We're gonna kick it. We're gonna go to the car shows. Come kick it in Liddyville. Subscribe to the Flyers channel out. You know what I mean? And you know, if you ain't fly, don't even come by, you know what I mean? Shout out Extreme Audio for bringing my vision to light. If you've been tuning in to this channel, man, you'll know that we redid the stripes. You know what I'm saying? And then we stopped. We took it on top and we stopped. And we left this blank. Because we didn't know what we wanted to do. We didn't want to be regular. You know what I'm saying? So we wanted something exclusive. We went big hemi on the scoop. Liddy in the middle. Stripes to finish it off. Exclusive joint only. One of one joint. This is a one of one wrap. You ain't gonna see nothing like it, man. Tune in to the Flyers channel, man. We got more and more coming. And it ain't gonna stop. It's just gonna get flyer and flyer. Welcome to Liddyville. Man, shout out K&N for the cold air intake. I could just consistently hear it. It's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, it's like a small whine. You heard? It's a loud whine. You hear that boy just switching gears so smoothly, like silk. You heard? No. And my cold air intake is just breathing. It's just breathing. y'all. We going big BBK long tube header next. We want a little bit more growl, more horsepower, and then we getting that PCM tune. Woo! He already beastie, but he go, yo, he already beastie. He just go, man, he just gonna be crazy, you are. Yo, he just gonna get crazy and crazy. If you're watching this video, subscribe to the channel, man, so you don't miss a beat from Frank White. We gonna keep getting louder. We gonna keep getting faster and flyer, man. Word. We take care of business on this channel, man. Tune in to them last vlogs. If you ain't tuned in yet, we definitely talking about them 20-pack Air Force Ones, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, if you get them videos to 100 apiece, we doing another 20. Big beast, Frank White, you heard? AKA the biggest hemi on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Tune in to them last vlogs, man. We going big BBK long tube headers. I think so. What you think? I think that's only right. For the rest of the upgrades, you know what I'm saying? We did the cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? We put the BBK 90mm throttle body in there, you know what I mean? So, you know, it's only right we keep going. Like, comment, subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this channel, man, subscribe to the channel. You heard? If you're new to this channel is about cars, culture, and fly shit. You dig what I'm saying? And I'm not talking about culture. We are not racist on no. We talking about car culture, clothes culture, fly shit culture. And if you ain't fly, don't even come by. You heard? If you ain't fly, don't even pull up. Fly shit. You know what I mean? Fly shit. That's an understatement, you dig? Big BBK long head, long, you know what I'm talking about, them headers, man, them long tube headers, man. That's next. We real pretty, but we want to get faster. You know what I'm saying? Fresh, fly shit, you know what I'm saying? Stay fly, man. If it ain't one thing you do in life, man, stay fly. And staying fly comes with a lot of responsibility, though, because you got to have a job, you got to pay your bills, you got to take care of your responsibilities. You know what I'm saying? Stay fly. You heard? And if you ain't fly, don't even come by.